Good afternoon, guys. Well, I don't know if the wood pile looks any smaller. I've been spending hours and hours either splitting my way through or cutting my way through it, filling up the log store behind. So had a couple of unexpected surprise sawls yesterday. Well, I had loads of nice sawls come yesterday, and one or two are duplicates for me, and they have a few challenges, so I'm hoping they might be suitable for one of you guys out there. So one of them is a Stihl 010. So these are a 37 or 38. I think they're a 37cc. I'm sure they're 37cc, and made from the late 70s. I think they run a 36mm piston. I think they're a 36mm piston and 36 stroke. Was that the 011? Anyway, so the guy got rid of this one. He said that it's had an oil pump and it looks like it's well, it can't be new, it looks used to me. So said he's done the oil pump, but it's over oiling, and says it runs erratically, so up and down the revs. So says it does cut, although it's it's hard to believe almost, because it's one of the Stihl Pico chains and it's not focusing very well. They're down to the nibs, so it definitely needs a new chain. And I thought, well, you know, if she'll start, we'll show her cutting today, and then you can see exactly how she runs. And he said apparently she's a pig to start sometimes, so non-chain brake, all the mounts feel okay, and there's some vanes broken on the side, and she apparently over oils and needs a chain. So can run up to a 16-inch bar. This is running an 11-inch bar. Let's see what she cuts like, if indeed she will cut. I mean, it's that chain is they're just baby nibs, and the chains are tiny to start with. So that'll be very interesting, and to see how she starts. So he says that she's an intermittent starter, whatever that means. So I already have two 010s, the 09, the 11, the 12, the 15. So I already have these, so I won't be stripping it apart to check it. But let me show you how she runs. Kill switch, throttle lock. If she will run, of course. Right, guys, take the helmet off. Interesting, isn't it? So she starts to fire. Okay. Right. So when he bought it yesterday, it started after a couple of pulls, so that's interesting. Oh, interesting. Just suddenly throttling and then died. That almost seems like an ignition problem, actually. That's how strange is that? So didn't see that yesterday. I did not. No, that's oh. Unless it's, can't imagine that's fuel starvation. Sounds like it's running rich. So guys, she obviously needs some work. that's interesting running characteristics, isn't it? That's so in terms of cutting, wow, even down to the nibs, she cuts well. Doesn't seem to bog down too much, but she definitely sounds like she is. She definitely sounds like she is richening up and then leading off. So, and when it stays rich for that long, it makes you think that perhaps the I wonder if there are Woolbro carb in this. It might be a Woolbro carb. That might just not be closing off the main jet correctly, but again, it could be crank seals as well. So there she is. That's the little Stihl 010. So I mean, they're beautifully constructed, all mag alloy. They're the ones with the lovely cast. There's the cast exhaust, cast aluminium exhaust, and so maybe a really nice restoration project for somebody, or maybe just a great source of spare parts. So she obviously does run to a fashion, but obviously not spectacular. Oh, kill switch off. There could be a number of things that could be even down. Anyway, get the idea. So my head's kind of spinning now with all the possibilities for that. So again, from fuel pickup through to the secondary screen in the carburettor, I guess all those things should be checked as a matter of course anyway. Probably a carb kit, and then taking it from there. So, but in terms of when she's running, does she cut? Yes, she does cut, and now she seems to be starting. Very strange how it suddenly cut out like that, though. That's yes. Oh dear. So that would be very interesting. So if this is suitable for one of you guys out there, then I'd also love to hear just what little problems she has that is causing that. Oh yeah, there's a shiny section on the underside as well, which, so I don't know, there's a little grey thing here. It's all beautifully smooth, but I don't know whether or not that's painted or if that's had, I'm not feeling the edges on it, or if that's a repair there. So, okay. So there she is, the little Stihl 010. Definitely challenged, but oh, kill switch again in the wrong position. There you go. And now, unless it's actually, I can smell fuel now. So unless that's actually is flooding, and that's what the problem is in the carburettor. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, that would. So how strange is that? So again, look at that, straight through. What is that? That's about a 9-inch cut. Doesn't bog down, straight through. So certainly has the power in the cut. Just okay, guys. Thanks for watching. So that's the gorgeous little is she gorgeous? Let's rephrase that. That's the little Stihl 010 with some cosmetic challenges and also some running challenges, but maybe, particularly as she has so much power while cutting, maybe it's a great project for somebody. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if that's flooding. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'm going to show my 051 cutting, which we've just ordered a new chain for. Bye for now.